Hi, I'm Aisling. I'd like to introduce my daughter Breed.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Breed. J'ai 8 ans. J'ai 2 frères et une sœur. J'ai plein d'amis.
I want to give every child the opportunity to learn a language. Lingweezy is an online adventure game that gets children talking foreign languages within the first minute of play. Children as young as 5 can learn languages independently in a fun and immersive platform, providing them with the optimal language learning experience. We are aligned with international learning standards so they can learn without having to attend a class. We are currently developing level 1 of our game, which will launch in September 2020. The feedback we've received from parents and most importantly children so far has been amazing. They are so surprised when they can speak foreign languages within 1 minute of play. Our first version will be released in French and will follow very shortly with the Spanish version. We look forward to working with parents and teachers globally. You can follow us on Twitter and Facebook. We would be very interested in meeting potential investors who can reach out to us on info@lingweezy.com.